Although, but the update is right now we have still that enhanced risk of severe weather, say across portions of southeastern Louisiana. However, though, by the time it probably reaches 2 hours from now, it's probably going to be removed. However, though, we have a severe thunderstorm warning across portions of New Orleans and stretching southward. 6 miles per hour wind gusts are possible. Frequent lightning has also been really common within. You definitely see all that lightning there. Very intense thunderstorms, to say the least. With that really intense lightning. Although a few tornadoes still can't be ruled out. The tornado threat has definitely diminished a lot, and now it's mostly a damaging wind threat going throughout the rest of tonight. Looking at tomorrow, we have another slight risk across portions of the Florida Panhandle, going to coastal Carolina, South Carolina, and North Carolina. Main risks tomorrow is going to be tornadoes, damaging winds, and no hail is still expected. Looking at day 3, nothing is also expected. So anyways, moving on to North Atlantic right now. We have that area of interest associated with that nor'easter. It has a 10% chance to develop in the next 40 hours, 30% in the next 5 days. Chances have definitely dropped a tiny bit. Looking at Eastern Pacific, nothing's expected. Nothing's expected in the Central Pacific. Looking at GTWC's outlook right now, we have 26W right now. Final warning was issued, and we have Malu currently. Typhoon Malu, current winds are around 80 knots, expected to strengthen to around 95. For weakening, starting around the 29th at 60, around 90 knots. For weakening, around 18Z, around 65 knots, and on the 30th, weakened to around 35 knots. For as it heads off to the north and east. So, apart from that's really it, and goodbye.